What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am QB. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing alipearlhair, and I'm really excited because I have been wanting to try their hair for so long. So I'm so happy that they're sponsoring this video and they sent me this wig, guys. So really quickly, I'm just showing you guys what came in the box that they sent me. They sent me a whole bunch of stuff actually, and I really was appreciative of it. They sent me like a bonnet, some lashes, wig cap, silk scarf, silk bag, elastic bands, like everything, edge brush. Like, they sent me a whole bunch of stuff, and I was just really happy. Like, this was one of the biggest packages I've ever received from a hair company, so it showed that they really had a lot of like effort put into my package. So yes, definitely good first impression. All right, so on to the actual wig itself. The hair I'm going to be installing today is their 22-inch deep wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig, and this density is 180% density. You guys, so before we get into this video real quick, I was trying to do the whole like TikTok trending robber eye looking wig cap installation thing, and that thing was not working out for me. Okay, like the lace, the what's it called, the cap was tearing and all that. So I was just like, you know what, let me just do this the way I know it. And I just like basically installed it regular, and I didn't go through that process. And of course I used my Erica J watermelon glue, because that glue is the best. And yeah, so I'm just working on my wig cap right now, and then we're gonna get into the wig installation. All right, so first things first, I really like the lace on the wig, and it wasn't too thin. It was like perfect. I didn't really get to like bleach the knots or anything, but I did go in with my lace tint and a little bit of foundation and put it on the lace so I could prepare to install it. And as you can see, the lace was already looking melted like into my skin, even without glue.
I see you.
One thing I could say about this wig is that it was very like easy to install. Like, I know it's a closure and everything and it doesn't really take time to install, but it was really like one of the easiest processes for me because one, the lace melted really nicely because it's HD and it's actually HD, not like when people tell you it's HD, but it's really not. Like, it was legit HD lace, and like it just was like everything was just flowing. It was just really looking good. Like, I didn't really have to do much to it. I did pluck it a little bit because I did not pluck it or do any type of like customization ahead of time, so I did pluck a little bit on my head. But ladies, let me tell you something. If you want a nice, what's it called, plucked hair, definitely do it before you install it, because you know it's a lot of work trying to do it on your head. But I still be finessing my way through, so but for the most part, definitely try to do your customization when the wig is not on your head yet. So right now I'm just adding some finishing touches, you know, going in with my part because I like my part real crisp and clear. And as you can see, like the lace is really melted. Like you can even see it nowhere. Like it's gone. Like it's literally in my scalp. Like this is my hair. Like what are you talking about? It's my hair. So to style my hair, I just put some water in it and some mousse. That's usually what I do to keep my curls like popping and to just like style my curly units. So yeah, as soon as I put some water on it, like the curls were just automatically defined and they were looking real nice, and the hair was really soft, and I really just like the quality of this hair. Like I think I wore this hair for like a whole month. Like, I've been wearing wigs for a very long time, and I can definitely tell you that this alipearl hair is the truth. Okay, the texture is nice. It's very soft, very flowy, and it's true to length, true to density. Like it's just, the lace is perfect, everything nicely. Like you can even tell me that's a wig. You can't. Like what? You can't, because where is it? Melted. If you are looking for something for like tropical vibes, you know, vacation hair, whatever, I would definitely recommend this wig. I really like it. As you can see, I'm loving it, feeling myself and all that. So yes, definitely get you this wig if you like how it looks on me, and you would definitely not regret buying it because it's definitely worth it. Like the HD lace, everything worth it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.